Hey, welcome back once again to the shop here at New Traditions Dulcimers in Somerset, Indiana. It is January 5th, I believe. It is cold outside. It's kind of cold in the shop as well, but it's definitely tolerable. If nothing else, I wanted to just share with you a little bit about what's going on here at the shop. Some updates on some products that we've got. I've got a bunch of dulcimers and a bunch of ukuleles, a gaggle of ukuleles. I think that's the correct term. Anyway, we've got dulcimer number 866 in the house, all strung up. It's a teardrop. It's strung up and just kind of getting used to being a dulcimer. I would have shown that to you, but I'll show you at the. You'll see it at the sound demo, which should be hopefully at the end of the week, of this week. I've got 867 here. This is an hourglass, number 867, and it's cherry. And it has the one-piece headstock, which we won't be doing one-piece headstocks anymore. We'll be doing three-piece headstocks. I think they're prettier, and I like them, so that's what we'll do. Anyway, here's 867. Here's the top for 867. It will be a 25-inch VSL, and I believe that this too is going to be a single sound hole. I'm pretty certain that that's what this is going to be. It'll kind of be the sister to 866. And yeah, 866 sounds great. I can't wait for you to hear it. But that's what's going on with the dulcimers right now. I've got some koa wood that's I'll start preparing for 868 and 869 real soon. On the ukulele front, this is where things are really hopping and popping around here. Got a lot of stuff going on for 2021. I've got, here is tenor ukulele. It's an artist. Tenor ukulele 248. This is the pistachio back. Pistachio back. And here are the sides. Oops. And the way this is working out is that this graft line right here is going to be matched on the sides like so. See how that works? So there's the back, and it'll come down and match on the sides as well. Pistachio from Central California. It makes beautiful instruments. I mean, this wood, when it's finished, oh my gosh, it looks so amazing. Just absolutely amazing wood. So 248 back and 248 sides. Pistachio. It's going to be a beautiful instrument, and it will have a Port Orford top, Port Orford cedar top, with a lot of ribbon and a lot of just really beautiful grain. So that's 248. Here's well, I went backwards. Here's 247. This is a myrtle back. 247 tenor artist. And here are the sides for 247. That'll have a nice book match up on top. So it'll look something similar to, well, something like that. Kind of get the idea. And it will also have a Port Orford cedar top. And this is the artist model. Now we've raised our prices on the artist models to be more competitive with the rest of the handcrafted community. The artist will include a hard shell case, which I'm trying really hard to say Indiana. So Gator Case is an Indiana product. So I will the Gator hard shell case will be included with our artist prices. So if you go to the website, you can see what our prices are and the options. If you want to get one of these guys, either 248 or 247, there are options as far as the tuning mechanisms right now. As far as all the woods go, I've already got it figured out that this will be a black walnut trim, 248 will be a curly maple trim, but if you wanted peg head tuners, which are awesome, or a sealed mechanical tuner, which are also incredible, those would be available if you want to order now before I get too far into them. And the website is www.newtraditionsdulcimers.com. It's pretty easy, newtraditionsdulcimers.com. So back onto the ukulele scene. 247 is here. 248 is the pistachio. This is where it gets pretty crazy. Let's see if I got these in order. Well, here's 255. 256. Whoops. 254. This is nuts. 253. 252. 251, 250, and last but not least, 249. Now, back in California, before we moved to Indiana, I had a friend up in Springfield, Oregon, who has a mill up there, and he was able to get me a whole bunch of instrument grade mahogany. We milled it, we slabbed it, we milled it, and it's just been kind of sitting around for a very long time. We've been out here for almost 3 years, and that was probably 2 years ago, so this mahogany has been sitting, drying and getting its character for 5 years, something like that. And it was really wide boards, so I was able to get single piece backs out of that. It just happened, it worked out at the right time. I was able to get that wood. I got a lot of really awesome wood back in California from friends and customers who would just basically drive up to our loading dock and drop off huge amounts of cherry and maple and black walnut and Osage orange and just all sorts of cool things. So that's where this wood, this mahogany, came from, and that's why I've got so many ukuleles going right now, is that I decided that 2021 I would go ahead and get all of these ukuleles built. And I still have, I think the goal is 10. I think I can get 10 ukuleles out of this wood. These will be performer ukuleles. They will have, 5 of them will have cedar or Alaska Sitka spruce, and the other 5 will have mahogany tops. So they will be on the website soon as far as ordering goes for those as well. They will not be as expensive as our artist models, but they will play just as nicely and sound really well. So that's it. A lot is going on. Got ukuleles coming out of my ears. If you want to check out any of our instruments and get on a pre-order something, please go to the website, and that's how you make the contact. We really don't do phone orders, and at the present time we're not doing a whole lot of stop-by customers either, so we've never really been a come by and check out shop. We've always seemed to the reputation has preceded itself, so we've always just pretty much sold online. This week, Thursday, in a couple days, I'm taking down a bunch of boxes to UPS to ship out to California, to ship out to Texas, Colorado, Virginia. Gosh, I forget where all they're going, but I'm shipping a whole bunch of instruments tomorrow. We waited until after the first of the year for obvious reasons before we shipped. We want to make sure that we don't have our instruments crushed by any any shippers. So we're hopefully we've made it. We will be shipping out on the 6th, I believe. This what it will be, or the 7th of January, and we should be safe by then. Once again, you can contact us, and you can contact me personally via email through our website. There's a contact page there. You can purchase on our website. You can hear sound samples on our website and on our YouTube channel, Facebook page, whatever. And hey, be sure to give us a thumbs up on these videos. It really helps us out. If you like the content of these videos, as I lose my voice, lots of cool things happening here in 2021. 2020 was such a phenomenal year for us. I mean, we just can't believe how good 2020 was. I pray it was a great year for you as well. We are excited and in high anticipation for 2021. We're hoping that everything stays the same. We'll see what happens. But we've got lots of instruments being built right now, and we anticipate shipping all over the United States and perhaps a few places out in the rest of the world as well. So Lord bless you guys. That's what's going on here at New Traditions Dulcimers in Somerset, Indiana on this January 5th, cold, dark day, but it's still a great day. The sun, S-O-N, he is still shining regardless if it's cloudy or not. Lord bless you guys. Have a fantastic day. And once again, Happy New Year.